So, the path forward is becoming clearer. Don't let AI turn your brand into an echo. Another forgettable voice in the digital crowd. Instead, embrace AI as your creative co-pilot. Your stories, your expertise, your unique voice, these are undeniably your greatest assets. Use AI tools smartly to amplify that uniqueness. Let AI handle the repetitive, mundane tasks. Let it help streamline your entire workflow. But always ensure your human imprint is central. Imagine a small business owner for a moment, sharing their founding story, their real struggles, their hard-won triumphs along the way.
AI could help script the narrative arc. It could suggest compelling visuals or music.
But the sincerity in the owner's voice, the undeniable passion shining in their eyes,
that part is completely irreplaceable by any machine.
This kind of video builds an immediate, strong bond.
Customers buy into the story, the person, the mission.
Or consider an expert in a complex field, explaining a difficult topic to their audience.
AI can help create clear, helpful animations. It can summarize key research points concisely.
But the expert's ability to simplify the complex, to use relatable analogies that resonate,
to answer questions with genuine understanding, that's what builds profound and lasting trust.
Viewers feel they are learning from a credible source.
A human intelligence guiding the AI-assisted presentation.
The AI video shift isn't just about more content.
It's not about producing things faster either. It's about creating better, more resonant content.
Content that stands out because it's undeniably human.
By pairing your authentic stories, your truth,
with the intelligent capabilities of modern AI,
you don't just avoid the sea of sameness.
You rise above it. You soar. You become a recognized authority, a trusted voice, a brand that people remember, engage with, and believe in. AI can be brilliant for kickstarting ideas. It can analyze data to suggest trending topics. It can generate outlines or even first drafts.
But then the essential human element must take over.
Your unique perspective is absolutely key. Your personal experiences bring content to life.
Your distinct voice makes it truly yours.
These are the things AI cannot replicate. You take AI's raw material.
You infuse it.
You make it original, valuable, and authentically you. Storytelling is where humans truly shine brightest. AI can help brainstorm various story structures. It can even suggest potential plot points.
But the emotion,
the empathy, the lived experience,
that crucial part comes directly from you.
A compelling story connects on a deep human level. It builds bridges between you and your audience.
It makes your core message incredibly memorable.
Use AI to find the building blocks, but you must be the architect of that emotional journey.
This approach, AI supporting human-led storytelling, works.
This is how you build real, lasting authority. When your videos share genuine, heartfelt insights, when they include personal anecdotes and a clear voice, trust naturally follows that authenticity. People see the real person or brand behind it.
They recognize the effort and the true expertise.
This isn't about faking it until you make it. It's about authentically showcasing what you know
and who you are, with AI amplifying your message.
Authentic, story-driven videos do more than get views. They foster genuine, meaningful engagement.
They spark interesting conversations among viewers.
They build a loyal, dedicated community around you. People don't just watch passively anymore.
They connect.
They interact. They share.
They become enthusiastic advocates for your brand.
This is the kind of audience growth that truly matters. It's sustainable. It's built on real trust. And that is the bedrock of a thriving presence. Beyond just lost attention, there's a bigger cost, a more insidious, creeping cost. Damage to your brand's hard-won authority. When you consistently put out generic content, what does that communicate about your expertise?
It suggests you lack unique insights to offer. It implies you're merely following the latest trends.
Not leading original thought in your field. This perception slowly erodes valuable trust. People start to question your true understanding. Think of authority as a carefully built structure. Each piece of generic content is like removing a brick. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but over time, the entire foundation weakens. Your audience starts looking elsewhere for guidance, for reliable information, for genuine insight. They actively seek out voices that sound real, not synthesized, not artificially generated. The effort to appear current with AI backfires. If the output is indistinguishable, it's a loss. The core problem often lies in copying generic templates and common approaches. Many AI video tools offer preset styles. They offer scripts based on popular keywords. It's very easy to fall into this alluring trap. The promise of speed and simplicity is strong.
But this path leads to a homogenization of content. Everyone starts sounding exactly the same.
Everyone starts looking exactly the same. This is the opposite of building a unique brand. But what if there's a truly different way? What if AI isn't the enemy of authenticity? What if it could be a potential, powerful ally? The shift we desperately need is one of perspective. To view AI as a powerful creative assistant, a tool to enhance human creativity, not replace it. Imagine AI as your research intern, your brainstorming partner, your editing apprentice. It handles heavy lifting, speeding up processes. But you, the creator, remain the true director. AI video floods our feeds. It promised so much innovation, yet most of it feels the same, just more digital than it's real. Brands using generic AI video risk becoming wallpaper. They simply blend into the background. They don't stand out from the crowd. This is a fast track to being utterly forgotten.
Think, when did a truly bland video ever wow you? Probably never.
It's a whisper in a hurricane. The internet is now awash, drowning in these AI-generated creations. Many look quite slick at first glance, but watch a few and a pattern emerges. The same stock-like visuals appear, the same robotic voiceovers drone on, the same predictable scripts unfold. It's content churned out, not carefully crafted. This repetition creates a digital echo chamber. Eventually, just tune it all out. What's missing from these videos?
Soul, authenticity,
The human touch. These creations often lack genuine personality. They don't convey real expertise or passion. They feel like an assignment completed by a machine, not like a message shared by a human being. This profound lack of heart makes connection difficult. It's all presentation, with no real substance. This is a critical failing in our current era, an era that craves genuine human connection. The immediate cost is lost attention. Viewers today are incredibly savvy. They can spot generic content a mile off. They scroll past it without a second thought. They click away to something more engaging. Your message, no matter how important, never lands. It's like shouting your deepest thoughts into a void. The effort to create these videos becomes wasted. You're spending resources for content that doesn't resonate. It simply makes no lasting impact at all.